Started smoking this last night for 3 hours. Got another 3 hours into it today. Gonna smoke it for another 4. We're just letting it rest. Slathered some butter on it. This is the setup we're using for our smoker right now, because my bottom half of the smoker here is gone. So I set up a little pipe going into it with all the apple wood chips. Got some charcoal that I just refilled up. That's our barbecue sauce slowly coming up to a boil. And yeah, so I just fill up this bag full of apple wood chips. It's got a little hole in the end. And just dump it into the pipe and it goes right to the bottom. And once I get a good charcoal here, I'll throw the lid on and then it creates a smoker.